In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for project management. This is a simple way to organize tasks, plan projects, and stay on track. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to help manage a project. For example, I might type, "Create a project plan for launching a new website." After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will generate a project plan, which may include tasks, timelines, and key milestones. If I want a more detailed plan, I can include more information in my prompt, such as the project goals, deadlines, or team roles. For example, I might type, "Create a 4-week project plan for a website launch with key milestones." Claude can also help break the project into task lists, to-do lists, or step-by-step workflows. If needed, I can ask Claude to track progress, suggest priorities, or adjust timelines. Once the plan is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it to manage my project more effectively. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI for project management. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.